Good day, everyone. Today is a logo day. We're going to do the logo from Autobots. The colors are pretty simple on this one. Just red, basically. Maybe a little bit of black for outlining, but otherwise, it's red, red, and red. Well, and the white paper showing through. It's very symmetrical. Left side, right side, both the same. And you might find that a ruler would be useful for this particular logo we're going to draw. I got my red pencils. The heck with the others. And let's go! You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.